So we are now ready for the final paint. We'll put one layer, a bit thicker, then I will grind, remove all the dust, impurities, whatever, and then two consecutive layers. But these two consecutive layers will happen 5-7 days later because I wait for the paint to be super dry before grinding. So, painting, fucking grinding. For now I finished the first layer. I want to show you some imperfections which I have. Quite a lot of them, to be honest. I would say more or less what I expected. What I haven't expected is to still see some scratches remaining from the primer. So this I didn't expect them. I will try to fill them. They are very tiny, but let me try and show you some of them, what I'm talking about. So yeah, I don't know if they are visible. I have plenty of lights, but yeah, this area, in this area there are some sanding scratches visible. Okay, this I would say it's a big defect, which I'm not sure I can cover by grinding only the paint. Then the second defect which occurs, it's visible over here, like this white spots. I hope it's visible. In these areas, you see, it's like the paint refuses to touch down over there. This can be from poor cleaning, although I'm very confident that I clean it pretty good. But yeah, this will be fixable on the second layer. Then I have impurities in the paint, several areas. You can see it over here. And then I have incomplete cover. You see, here is not shiny, here is a difference, here is shining, here not, because here I haven't applied enough paint. The same over here. Here I haven't applied at all. You can still see the primer. Additionally, in this area, you can see it leaked. The paint leaked a bit, but this is nothing to worry about. This will come out easily by sanding. Here again, I have an area which has no shine. This is actually the effect of insufficient paint applied. So yeah, here it looks pretty good. Once again, I can confirm that if the spray gun is brand new, look here again. Here again. Here again. Okay, here is not a visible area. This is covered. But yeah, here I didn't cover this area. And there I did. Here as well. So I would say 1 in 1. A lot of work to be done. But yeah, this is what I was expecting. This is what I was planning actually. Here I have some impurity remaining there. Another one remaining here. Another one remaining here. Here it leaked again. Plus impurities. So yeah. There is no area. Here again it leaked. Look. Here. I would say there is no area which doesn't require rework. But that was always my plan. That I'm doing reworking, and so on. So the next step is just to sand it down again with probably 800 grit. And then applying 2 consecutive layers. When I say consecutive, 15-20 minutes one after another until the first one is a bit dry. And then go there from hopefully 1500 and so on. Yeah, the roof looks pretty bad and look like it has deformations out of my previous sanding. And if it's like that, then yeah, that's close to impossible to cover. Anyhow, in the area where the paint is shining, these are not visible, so still I have my hope. Let's see in the next episode.